Hello, my name is Patrick Bumbi, and this is SWE 560 course taught by Professor Ali Wahi. Um, this is my capstone project presentation for the hospital management system, also referred to as HMS. In this demonstration, I will walk you through the system's implementation testing as part of the Milestone 4 project overview. The goal of this project is to improve hospital operations. The HMS covers essential features such as patient registration, appointment scheduling, billing, pharmacy inventory management, and reporting. I built this system using Spring Boot for the backend, reject.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, and Docker for the deployment. Together, these tools make the system both scalable and secure. Let's take a look at the system architecture. The UML diagram shows the overall system architecture. The React front end communicates with the Spring Boot back end, which connects to several services like the authentication, billing, scheduling, and inventory. All data is stored in a MySQL database, and Docker is used to package and deploy the system so it runs consistently across the environment. Let's look at the use case diagram. The use case diagram outlines different users interact with the HMS. Hospital staff handle patient records and appointments. Pharmacy manages inventory. Accountants generate and process bills, and administrators run reports. All these actions are required login authentication, which ensures data security and proper role-based access. Um, I would just show a little bit of a demo on the roadmap. In the demonstration, I will show 5 main features: login, patient registration, appointment scheduling, billing, and pharmacy inventory. These steps highlight the core functionality of the system and confirms that it meets the project's requirement. Testing result. The testing confirms that every requirement was made. Unit tests validated, and the smaller modules. Integration tests check how service worked together. System tests confirm everything ran smoothly as a whole. And acceptance tests show that the features match user expectation. Risk and issue logs. Like any real project, we run into a few issues. For example, the Docker initially caused problems with um, database persistence, but I resolved it by adjusting the configuration and using persistent volume. Performance issues with appointment queries were improved through indexing and query optimization. Security risks related to token storage were addressed by the HTTPS and the security securing cookies. Conclusion. To conclude, a certain percentage of the system functionality is completed. The HMS is secure, scalable, and somehow, uh, which is somehow ready for deployment. And although I still have a lot to do on this project, but it's somewhat in that stage of deployment. This project demonstrates not only successful application of software engineering principle, but also a practical solution that could be used in real hospital setting. Um, the next slide shows the references where I got all this information. I would like to also emphasize that the presentation that I did here is the casts casts for the Milestone project. So I will be attaching a link to that screencast. That way, when you when you open up my report, you will be able to click on a link and then see or watch the presentation of the screencast. So it's just a bundle. I'm attaching it. I'll attach a link to that report, then upload it. Okay. For any question, please let me know. Thank you.